Hello guys, my name is UnlimitedCop and welcome back to episode 3 of Life of a Reseller. As always guys, I'm going to be keeping this intro pretty short. If you guys have not seen the first 2 episodes, I'll leave those linked down in the description below. You do not want to miss those. Not really too much else to say guys. If you haven't been enjoying the series, be sure to leave a like down below and leave a comment, let me know what your favorite part of this video was. Without any further ado guys, I hope you guys do enjoy. Hi guys, so this is a lot harder to vlog with this microphone because it is so big and it doesn't stay on my dash. We're going to the mall today. We're gonna go buy some Grateful Deads from this dude on Facebook. We're going to Tinto so they can take a look at them too, just so I have someone else to look at it. And that's pretty much what's going on right now. So I'm gonna go pick up Kaylee and then we're going to go to the mall and pick up those shoes. All right guys, so we're on the way to the mall right now. We're kind of running late, so we told this guy we'd be there like 1:30 or so. It's currently 1:30, and we're like 20 minutes away. 15 at least 15. We're at the mall. Hopefully this guy is gonna be here. Did he reply, I wonder? We told him like 1:30. It's now 1:45. My boy said he's here. The guy didn't even tell me he's here, but Cam said he's here, so we're going in now. What's up, homie?
They're making us do it now.
Really?
Yeah, it sucks.
Yeah.
What's good, bro?
Oh, Hunter.
Xavier, bro. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah. Take a look at these.
Yes, sir.
So they hit on sneakers, right?
Yeah.
Word. I tried to get them, but no luck. Cash App, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a pair for the toe. They're crazy. All right, boys. So we just picked up the pair. Got it in the size. I got it in the size 12. They're pretty fire. Pretty excited about them. I actually just ordered some Off-White 4s. It should be in a couple days, so whenever you get those, you guys will see me unbox them. Alright guys, so we're about to cop these Warren Lotus Dunk Lows. For retail is $300. Retail is probably gonna be like $500–600 hopefully. So hopefully they drop. I've heard rumors that they're not gonna drop. We'll see what happens. But I'm setting up Cyber now. Hopefully I can hit some slots for the boys in Saber. Alright boys, so we're set up now. We're pretty much just waiting for it to drop. Alright. This is gonna be kind of a shit show, so we'll see how it goes. All right, boys, good luck. I have autofill also, so hopefully we can do something here. Okay, it's live. Where are the dunks? I'm in line. Captchas are going crazy. This is my first time botting. Oh shit! I just hit a crazy. I just went nuts, dude. I just went insane, dude. What the hell? Well, that's that. So slots just went crazy. Alright, I copped for myself too. Size 9.5. Cyber's a monster. I guess I'm back on Shopify. Damn, I'm Shopify botting more. Alright boys, good luck. Hopefully we can do some numbers here. I'm gonna go manual too, which you're not gonna be able to see. So nervous, so nervous. I don't know why. Just like any other job. Good luck. Why are these generating? And why are all these submitting order not going through? I checked out. I just got a DTLR. I just got a manual. Bet, there's one, okay. Size 7. That was fire. That was so quick, the autofill. I wish I was recording that, but I couldn't. Oh, I got another one. I got a Champs. I got one on Champs. I got another one. I'm going. Why aren't these popping up? I got one on DTLR. I got one on Champs. I got one on Foot Locker. So I hit. But it's not showing up. Have you guys got any charges or Feek or Superior? Yes, sir. We like that. Come on, get in here, bro. Get in here.
I guess they rated my chat.
Subscribe to their channel, bro. All love.
Y'all give me some unlimited sneakers because I need these satins. What's up? Yo, shout out to UnlimitedCop, man.
That was fun, boys. We should do this more often.
I appreciate y'all. Hope
That
you
was
guys,
fun.
You guys, you cooked this morning, man. Y'all cooked or what? Let me know in the chat. You guys doing these satins on UnlimitedCop.
Yo, talk to these boys, guys. They're lit. They're lit.
I'm like, damn, y'all need to bring these people more often. Like,
W. Let's get some W. Put W's in their chat. Alright, boys. So I have a box here. I believe it's my undefeated package. If you guys saw the second episode, maybe in the first episode, can't remember. It was one of the episodes. I got some reflective blue oat 380s in here. So I'd like to open these up. I'm pretty excited about them. Personally, I think they were fire. I mean, people didn't really like them, but I really enjoyed them. It's actually like 12 o'clock at night. I just got home and I was gonna do this in the morning, but I have to see these in hand right now. So I've actually never had a pair of 380s yet. So this is my first pair. I just ordered a personal pair of the Mist. There's all that stuff. I actually got this pair manually with autofill, which is absolutely insane, but it just goes to show, guys, manually copying is possible. All right, so we have a size 10 here. Okay, yeah, these look like, these are terrible. These do not look good at all. I'm sorry, these don't look good. I thought they would look kind of fire, you know, like they'd be okay. The pictures made them look a lot better. You can't even really see like the flash on it. Let me take a picture and see if you can see the reflectiveness on it. Okay, you can see the reflective on it when you take pictures and stuff. But compared to like my other reflectives here, like you can tell these are reflective in like certain lights. These, I can't see the reflectiveness at all. These, not the best looking shoe, not gonna lie. I definitely like the silhouette of the 380 though. Definitely good looking shoe for sure. So they have a blue insole, which is pretty cool. I haven't seen that on very many I don't think I've seen any Yeezys that have had a blue insole. Do I keep them? All right, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know, do I keep these or should I sell them? All right, guys, so my doorbell just rang and I have a package I've been waiting for a pretty long time for, so I'm pretty excited about it. So this is a shoe that I bought a week or two ago. It took a little bit to get in, but it's some heat. I'm honestly super excited about this. That's pretty sad when I didn't cop retail, but once you guys see the shoe, you'll know why I didn't get it retail. It's honestly pretty dope. It's definitely gonna be one of my grails. Unfortunately, it's not my size, so I can't wear it, but it's definitely gonna be a cool shoe to put up on the shelf. Dang, this thing is taped really good. Damn, bro, this thing is taped so good. Dude, oh my god. All right, boys. It's taped so well. This is definitely gonna be one of my favorite shoes that I've ever had, just because it's so like dope. If you can see right here, you guys already know what it is. So if you can't tell by the box, which you should be able to tell by the box, it's a Jordan 5, obviously. Wow, man, these are cool, dude. These are really cool. The off-white Jordan 5. Wait, it's a 4. It's not a 5. I keep saying it's a 5. It's a 4. It's a 4's box, obviously. I mix them up. I'm sorry. Wow, dude. These things are so dope, dude. So dope. It's just, I'm like speechless. I don't know what to say about it. It's such a cool looking shoe. Like, I really wish I got them in my size. I got them in 12 and a half, which I bought them off one of my friends, so that's the only size they had. Because it was really hard to get my hands on these, honestly, as I'm sure you guys know. Here's the other one. Honestly, guys, definitely, like, I don't even know what to say about it. It's such a cool pair of shoes. Off-White Jordan 4s. You guys know what it is. It's crazy. These are supposed to be coming out in men's sizes later, so I'm hoping I can get a men's size. In my size, obviously. I don't know. I'm gonna be holding on to them for a while, though. I could probably honestly look at these for like a long time, and the whole video would be like an hour long. So I'm gonna have to put them up right now. Definitely gonna be going on the shelf. I'm about to clean it off. I don't know when, but I'm gonna clean it off sometime so I can put more heat on there, because I have a lot of dope stuff that definitely needs to be showcased. Good luck, guys. You know what it is. Hope you guys cop. Don't forget Nike sneakers. Sleeping 1 minute 30 seconds. Some of these aren't getting through, but it's okay. We'll just see what happens. Wait, no, did it just load product or was it early? We'll see what happens. I don't have time for that. Good luck, guys. Yeah, have it instant out of stock. Cart has been removed. Address, please complete your order. There's no shipping on DTLR. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this episode. If you guys did enjoy, be sure to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button for more content. Next episode, guys, I'm gonna be going to Los Angeles, California, and some insane things are gonna be happening, so if you guys haven't subscribed, definitely be sure to do so. Also, if you guys haven't followed my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat, all the good stuff is linked down in the description below. Just like the intro, guys, I'm gonna be keeping the outro pretty short. If you guys did enjoy, be sure to leave a like down below. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really bout to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.